Well, CBA's half-year profit jumped 23% thanks to a 45% increase in home loans and a 68% increase in zero-interest transaction accounts to $317 billion. Interim dividend is up from $1.50 to $1.75, and there's a $2 billion capital return by way of a share buyback. Little wonder the share price jumped 5.6%, and the other big banks joined the party. Retailers also had a good session, but the mining stocks went backwards. The volatility index on the ASX is telling us that the January turmoil has passed, although it's not quite back to the levels that prevailed for most of last year. But that level of volatility was unusual. Where it is now is more normal. The oil price dropped more than 2% last night, while iron ore, coal and gold held up. Global markets are all higher, led by a 0.8% gain in New York, and the Australian dollar continued to drift higher, currently 71.6 US cents. Consumer sentiment has fallen to even Stevens between hope and despair, probably because of all the talk about interest rates going up. The National Skills Commission put out its regular count of skilled job vacancies, and it's at another 13-year high. Recruitment firms are running around like flies with blue bottoms. Recruitment activity is up an astonishing 40% on a year ago. And finally, 2 years ago, the then US President Donald Trump signed a trade peace deal with China in which President Xi Jinping promised to buy an extra $200 billion in American exports within 2 years. But nothing happened. US exports to China are more than $200 billion less than what was promised. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.